Hey everybody, welcome back to another Merly on Time Watch Reviews. My name is Chris. I unbox and review budget watches. Today I am rocking my Casio Duro Marlin with the blue and black, the Batman bezel colorway. I absolutely love this thing. Now today I have a special unboxing for you. What would you do if you discovered that your great-grandfather, 3 times removed, was a watch and clock maker in the early 20th century in Moscow? A man by the name of Baruch Reinen, who owned and operated one of the largest watch and clock making factories in Moscow at that time, the B. Reinen Watch and Clock Factory, before it was taken over by Bolshevsky in the 1917 Russian Revolution. What would you do if you then discovered that Baruch's grandson, Leon Zuckerman, who fled Russia in 1914, moved to a small town in Switzerland, La Chaux-de-Fonds, and began a watch company that he called the Benedict Watch Company, a watch company name that was a derivative of his grandfather's name, Baruch, because Baruch in Hebrew means blessing or benediction. You then discover that Leon, with the help of his son Boris, in 1959, in the Swiss town of La Chaux-de-Fonds, created and patented a watch called the Benedict Parkathon watch, a mechanical watch that had an alarm in it that assisted people in preventing them from getting parking tickets. What a unique history of watchmaking. What if you discovered all of this? Well, this is Adam Lasner. He is the great-great-great-grandson of Baruch Reinen. And he has started a new chapter in watchmaking that he is calling, in order to honor the history of the watchmaking heritage, the Adam Benedict. And in this box is the Adam Benedict Genesis, a new chapter in the watchmaking history of Baruch Reinen's family. I'm going to be showing this one to you today on this episode of Merly on Time Watch Reviews. So you saw at the beginning of the video the paid promotion. Adam, the owner of the watch company, reached out to me on Instagram and asked if I could do a review of his watch for him, and he has entrusted me with his watch for review purposes. I do get to keep the watch, and so thank you so much, Adam, for that. I will, however, be giving you an honest review of this watch. In no way does the fact that I have this watch given to me impact my opinion of it. So, the watch comes in this outer cardboard box that has the word inhale and the word exhale branded onto it. And I'll be explaining all about this on the full review of this watch, which will drop in 1 week's time. Basically, all we're looking at today, guys, is the watch. We'll get my first impressions of it. We'll get your first impressions of it. Please leave me a comment below and let me know as we take a look at the watch what you think of it. And I intend on using the comments that you leave, some of the comments that are left in the unboxing videos, as a part of my review videos moving forward. And so have a look at this beautiful box, presentation box that the watch comes with. This is a cedar box made of cedar wood. Adam Benedict Mindful Timekeeping branded on the top there. Absolutely beautiful. A really nice touch with the packaging on that. As you pop the lid off, you can see that the watch also comes with some accessories. You have a microfiber cloth with the Adam Benedict name and logo branded onto it. I really dig the logo. I think it's cool. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the logo. I just think it's really kind of cool. Inside the box, the watch comes in another pouch that you can use for traveling, which is a nice touch. And you can see that the watch also comes with an additional strap if you want to wear it on an additional NATO strap, and the tool to remove the leather band that the watch comes supplied on. So this is the Adam Benedict Genesis collection. This is the first in the series. Adam sent me number 1. So this is the Adam Benedict Genesis 01. This particular watch comes in 4 different colors. We'll hop on over to the website now to show you them. And so there you can see some information about the Genesis collection. You can pause the video and read that if you want. So you have a black dial with orange accents. You have a green dial with yellow accents. You do have another black dial with green accents, the one that I have. And have a look at that beautiful looking silver dial with the red accents on it as well. And so this is it. This is the Adam Benedict Genesis. So let me zoom in a little bit on the dial, and we'll just take a closer look at it. And you can see that it is a quartz movement, Swiss quartz movement in it. Again, I'll be dealing with all the specifications and whatnot in the full review. This is just a quick overview. Have a look at that. Isn't that really, really, really cool? You can see 2 different colors, the green and the white for the seconds and our minute track. And again, I'll be explaining that in the full review, but let's take a look at this watch. Comes on this leather band that you can see has some contrast stitching near the lugs there. Here's the side profile of the watch. I do like the angle on the downturn on those lugs. And then the other side, you do have the crown at the 3 o'clock. You can see it has a polished crown with the Adam Benedict logo on it as well. Genuine leather strap that it comes with. And there is some more information on the screw down stainless steel case back. So I'm going to show this one to you on wrist. I'm sure it's going to look fantastic on that orange NATO. I'll include a wrist shot of the orange NATO on Instagram on the full review. But this is it, the Adam Benedict Genesis. Let me know what you guys think of this one. I think it is quite a cool looking watch. And I look forward to rocking this on my wrist for a few days' time to get acquainted with it. And then I'll be dropping a full review of this one in 1 week's time. Again, please be sure to leave me a comment below and let me know what your first impressions are of this watch. I will include some of those comments in my review of this watch, which will drop in 1 week's time. Here's what it looks like on wrist. And here it is on my 7.5-inch wrist. Guys, I think this is a sharp looking watch. The contrast stitching there by the lugs really makes this thing pop. You can see that the buckle also has the Adam Benedict branding on it, on that brushed buckle there. I am digging this one. I really, really like the look of this one. Let me know, as always, what you guys think of this one in the comments below. And stay tuned for a full review of this one in a week's time. So there is a quick overview of the Adam Benedict Genesis collection. Let me know again what you think of the watch in the comments below. My thanks again to Adam for entrusting me with your watch to review on my channel. I appreciate it so very, very much, the confidence that you have placed in me to do an honest review of your watch. Guys, I need your help to reach 1,500 subscribers. As of the filming of this video, I'm at 1,400, at least according to my YouTube studio. And at 1,500, I'm giving away an automatic watch by Spinnaker, as well as a great budget Casio watch. And so, would you please help me hit that mark of 1,500? If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. And thank you so much for your support. As always, remember, whenever you leave your house, you need to have a great looking piece to wear on your wrist, like this Adam Benedict Genesis. And remember, wherever you're going, you need to get there on time. God bless all you guys. We'll see you in the next video.